Hi everyone, just a quick video today. Just like to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel this year. 27 subscribers. I was happy if I got 10. Yeah, if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Don't cost you anything. There's not many things in this world that are free, so just click and subscribe. Great. Basically, I'm just making this video to wish everyone, hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope the weather next year is as good as it was this year. Plenty of riding time. It's been really great for riding your bike. So yeah, if another mention as well. A couple of YouTubers I know going through a bit of a rough patch at the moment medically. One's pretty bad at the moment, but we're all gunning for you. All his subscribers are gunning for him. So Steve, if you're remember, everyone's there for you. And Andy and Oz, just keep with it, mate. Just keep with it. Anyway, again, yeah, 27 subscribers I've got up to now. Oh my God, I didn't believe there was be more than 10 that would like to listen to an old fart waffle on watching crappy videos. Anyway, take care, look after yourselves. Most important, be careful out there.